Rusty table. Another man trash is another man treasure. Treasure are everywhere. We must build our imagination.
This trash chair just made me $300, and I'm going to show you how to turn your local dumpster into a gold mine. No experience needed. 0 to 1,000 in 7 days. Let's go.
Problem, why it's trending?
Every year, 12 million tons of furniture end up in landfills. But in 2025, upcycled decor is exploding. Why? TikTok and Instagram Reels are obsessed with trash-to-treasure makeovers, and resale apps like Facebook Marketplace are paying big for vintage vibes. Swipe to see what sold for. 200 last week.
1. Clean and assess the condition. Remove any dirt, dust, or debris.
Step 1. Sourcing free materials. Rule 1. Never pay for materials. I hit up college dumps during move-out week, FreeCycle, org, and even curbside trash days.
Here's my dim dollar haul.
Step 2. The 2025 aesthetic hack. Forget shabby chic. 2025 is all about cyber cottagecores. Mix rustic wood with neon accents or holographic paint. Here's how. Time-lapse of painting a chair with matte paint. Rust, oleum neon, Lowe's. Step 3. AI-powered pricing, selling, recording. Using ChatGPT to generate product. I use ChatGPT to write SEO-friendly listings like vintage cyber cottagecore accent chair. This keyword alone got me 20 bids in 2 hours. Cut to your Facebook Marketplace dashboard, showing $300 sale notifications. Educational breakdown.
Why this works in 2025, searches for upcycled furniture grew 200% this year. Why?
Gen Z would rather buy sustainable, story-driven pieces than IKEA. Plus, AI tools like Canva's Magic Design make pro product photos free. Before, after photos edited with Canva. Scaling the hustle, you interviewing a local boutique owner. We pay flippers 3x the cost for trendy pieces. The key? Focus on small, shippable items, like stools or wall art. Art.
I spent $25 on paint and sandpaper and made $1,025 in 10 days.
Here's how you can profit faster. A1. Affiliate links. Use my Amazon links for tools I earn a cut at no cost to you.
2. Digital blueprint. Grab my $7 2025 upcycling playbook below with AI prompts, pricing templates, and sourcing maps. 3.
Shout out to Lowe's for the eco-friendly paint. Smash subscribe and hit the huffle next week. I'll show you how I turned broken electronics into a $2 a month Etsy hustle using 2025's weirdest trend.
Elite IQ transformation guide coming soon. Drop a comment with more video tips.